Hello lovely violin players, I can't quite believe that we're still going, and in this lesson we're practicing There's Music in the Air, and you've probably noticed in your book, it's number 165 on page 42, that it is a duet again. So we're first in this video going to learn the top part together, and then towards the end of this video we're going to play this as a duet. And you have told me in comments below other videos that is the part that you really enjoy the most, so hang in there until the end. Let's get started. We're playing 4 beats in a bar, but we're starting with an upbeat here. So before we begin, I'm going to count us in for 3, and our upbeat is going to go up bow. So I'm going to start in the middle of the bow, and I'm playing towards the heel on my first note. Now in this piece we're playing in the key of G major. You can tell that it finishes on a G, and we have got 1 sharp in our key signature, and that means we're playing in the key of G major. And that means that we've got our second finger on the D string wide, but our second finger on the A string is close together. So right at the beginning we're playing our second finger close, and later on we're playing that second finger on the D string, and there it's wide. After 3, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to reset the bow in the middle. Rest. That's really well done. When you get to the second line, this piece gets a little bit more complicated. So let's just practice the second line again, shall we? I'm leaving my first finger down on the string, and that is indicated by the horizontal line underneath bar 9. Try to do that as well if you can. It's a really good technique because you start bar 9 on the first finger, but you also finish bar 9 on the first finger, you see, and then you have it ready already. So here's bar 9. 3, 4. Now the good thing if you leave your first finger down is that it acts as a guide. So I can find 1, 3, 2, and I can find where my second finger is going to go because my first finger is there as my anchor. I just place it right beside it. Although it's on the A string, of course, but it's helpful, I think, once you feel where the first finger is. Let's do that again, bar 9, and... Here I'm playing the whole bow, and I'm going to the point. And now we're starting up bow. Wide space between your second finger and your first finger. Now you can play either an open A string or a fourth finger. Play the lower half now. Now the B quarter note here, I like to play with a whole bow so that I get the 2/8 notes, the quavers, at the point. 2, 3. And you might go over this section a few more times if you're unfamiliar with it. And if you find it challenging, just take your time, play the video back and try this a couple of times, and you will very soon feel that you gain in confidence and you'll find it a lot easier. You will need to feel fairly confident when you want to join in playing the duet. By all means, give it a go, whatever you're feeling about this piece so far. So once you feel confident enough to play this as a duet, do join in, please. We're going to go at the same pace, so it's not super fast at all, which allows you time to get used to that feeling of playing together again. So when you're ready, let's start in the middle of the bow. I'll count us in for 3. 1, 2, 3. That was absolutely amazing playing. Really well done. If you've enjoyed it, do please write about it in the comment section down below this video. It'll be lovely for everyone else who is with us in this series to read how you got on. Thank you for doing that. Hit the like button as well if you've enjoyed playing this. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way through to the end. I very much look forward to seeing you in lesson 80. Goodbye.